You know what? Ever since I learned how to make my own sea moss gel at home, I don't want it any other way. So I go to the Asian store and pick it up. It comes packaged in quite a lot of salt to preserve it. And then I give it a good rinsing to get all of that salt off. It usually soaks for several hours. Toward the end of the soaking time, I run it through with a little bit of lime juice, and that helps to tenderize it a little bit more. Then I just continue to clean and rinse until it starts to run clear. Now I added very little water to this for my gel. I'm giving it a pass under some clean cold water once again to make sure I've gotten all the cloudiness out and any salt. And now it's time to make the gel, just like that. See how clear that water came out? Now we just add it to our little bit of water. That's what it looks like all together before we give it a spin in the blender. And I just blend, of course, until any chunks are out, making sure that the mixture is very, very smooth. So I pureed it for a few minutes. I would say about 3 to 4 minutes of just a steady puree until it comes out like this. Oh, it's so beautiful. And my version is pretty highly concentrated, so you're really getting pure sea moss, okay? I didn't add very little water. Of course, I went back and scraped out the rest for the jar, but oh my gosh, you gotta try this.